This topic covered by two different topics, cryptography and steganography. So cryptography is nothing. So we encrypt the password. We encrypt the password in non-readable form. So, for example, we have one website like MD5 hash generator. So this website to create generate the passwords like this is the normal text. So this one going to be converted into uh, encrypted form. So this encrypted form is stored by your computer as well, SQL server and everything. So why we store the password look like this? Because nobody can hack and don't know about your password. So that security purpose we encrypt this both. Okay. So the same way we have two different things like steganography and cryptography. Like steganography means the secret message or the main string will be converted into non-readable form, so nobody can read the message. And steganography, if the thing, so if we hide the file in some other some other format. For example, we have one file, so that file hid into some other JPEG and JPEG format. So someone know about your now you got your file, so nobody can trace it. So that's why we securely save your file. So this is the theme of steganography. And the second point is it's a kind of noun communication, and this one is a hidden communication. And cryptography alters the overall structure of the data, and steganography does not alter the data. So the example is you see this. This is the example. So admin is the mainstream. So this one will be altered via some non-readable hexacodes. Look like this. So this one alter the data. Okay, this is the meaning of this. And this one's technography, we show one real-time example so that can understand the steganography. And the final result of our result when we obtain the ciphertext, and this one the stegomedia. So what is the difference between ciphertext and stegomedia means? The encrypted file stored in ciphertext. So ciphertext is nothing look like this. This is the ciphertext, and this is the encrypted form, including your Wi-Fi password and your system password. Everything stored here. This format. Okay, this is called as a ciphertext. And steganography, stegomedia is nothing. So we hide the file in some other format. So that's why called as stegomedia. And final thing is easily get secret data. And this one anyone can easily actually discovered. Anyone can get the secret data. So this is the difference. The main difference is we showing the practical. That only we understand the concepts. First, you want to need download the OpenStigo. OpenStigo is one of the famous steganography software. You download the internet, so open source. You go to navigate this website and directly go to the download page. Directly download this and navigate the GitHub page, I think. So here, openstigo.exe. Suppose you install this Stego in Linux platforms, use this one. Okay, so it's easy to use. So directly download this one. So I directly click this one. It's 1.7 MB only, so it directly downloaded. After that, what we can do? Okay, after the complete installation, go to here search and type OpenStigo. So this icon is up here. You directly click open. I already opened this software. So the software interface look like this. Hide the file, cover file, and Stego file output, and put the password what you want. And I try to hide this file only because this is the very important important file in my company. So that's why I'm just hidden this file. So you go to a search and navigate the file location. So the file is present here in desktop, and click P and .txt and click open. So this file stored here. After you put the cover file I put any image I want. So I put any screenshot or else any real-time images you want. You just put the image only. that image using to cover the things. Okay, so uh, I move this image in the folder, copy it and paste here. Next, try to download. Okay, I just copied this image and go here. I put the image in this folder. Okay, this folder contain one image, so the file format is JPG file, and navigate the location. But now again put the same location and case tego file bmp and all files. I try to click one. That's it. Two different things you put. One is the message and cover file and output sticker file, and put the password 1235 1235. Now hit the message. So this case, this image, one message is embedded into the cover file, and that's it. So successfully we hid the one important document like this document in this image. Okay, so normally and someone don't know about idea about this, directly just open the file, only image only it's showing, but in back end nothing showing. Okay, so someone know about the things of the image, uh, look like the file size. So this is the normal image, this is the encrypted image. So this image contains uh, some files in backend. Okay, so how to open this? Again, you go to open the open stego, you click extract data and stego file, you navigate the stego that image, again you put the file and output the folder. So output folder I try to use the same folder and put the password 12345 and extract the data. That's it. Again, so the key file is present here. Okay, so this is the example of steganography. We successfully hid the this file into some other image format. Okay, so I think you understand this. We move on the next one. So next one is the Viracrypt. Viracrypt is one of the famous software to encrypt the any level of hard disk and your data. Okay, first you want to need download the software, you go to a website, and this one is the open source, so you don't need any payment process. So first initially you go to the Viracrypt and directly search the internet. You present the first website, you look for this one is the free open source, so directly install. Click this one, open this encryption software and download. So lots of versions is available. You suppose you need download Windows and Mac OS and Linux, every platform is supported. This one is very free one and very secure one. And directly click this one, this icon, you just click this, directly download it. Once it's downloaded, you directly install. The installation process is very simple. You directly click next, the software is installed. After that, one icon is present here, you directly just double click it and directly open this window. So this window is appear, you successfully install the software, and then only it's open. Now we create one encrypted disk. So the step is, first you create the volume and don't need change anything. Suppose you want to need change in encryption format, that's only you change the options. Now in my case I need to create some normal encrypted file container, so I just put this one and click next, and standard encrypted value and click next. This case select the file. I just create one file in window, like the same folder, we create one same folder like this. I create one file, encrypted disk. You put any name here. Okay, so click save and click next, and put the encryption type, what you want, what type of encryption you want, you put the encryption and algorithm, what type of algorithm you need, you directly put the algorithm. And my case normally, here I'm not change anything and click next. So in this case, my C drive contain 83 GB of free space. I want to hide the file in 1 GB. Depends on my usage, depends on how much file I want to encrypt that. So that case only I use KB, MP and GB, whatever it is. Okay, so my case I put only 500 MB. 500 MB of data I want to try to encrypt the everything. Okay, first we put the 500 and put MP and click next and put the password. So my case I put the normal password. I put 1234 5 and 12345. So this is the very important steps. You just forget the password. Definitely we don't retrieve the encrypted data. So this is the security level of the encryption technique. Suppose our system attacked by ransomware, some virus, so that case this software protected your encrypted data. So definitely not crash or do anything. So it's very secure method to save your data. Okay, first of all you put the password. You This is the thing. This is the reminder. You don't forget this. Definitely we don't recover the data. So unclick next and put yes. That's it. And click format. So we create the file format. The file contains 500 MB and that's it. So ViraCrypt volume has been created. After that, what we can do, we open that file in the hide some file in that particular path. First we going to I just showing to you. So you go to this PC. So this PC contains C drive and E drive. Okay, now we just open the any directory. First you put the any alphabetical order. So you just put this one and select the file and go to the that current particular folder. We know that folder name, right? So stego and go to here and select the file and click open. So now you just put mount. So this case asking the password. So my password is 12345 and click OK. So now one extra disk is created. So that disk is very secure and encrypted disk. Okay. So wait a minute. That's it. So it's created. You see it before the mount. We have a two volume only. Now new one is created. So I want to hide some data in that volume. So I add on two different files. Now I put this mount. That's it. Someone steal your data, definitely nobody can know about that. So okay, so it's a very secure method to protect your um, encrypted data. Okay, so you see the type file, the type of the file, data is contained the file. Nobody can know about it. Okay, so it's very easy to use, and this is the method to protect your own data. Okay, and thank you so much for this session. And you have any doubts, please feel free ask me. Um, I know my contact number and with everything. So it's very simple thing. You encrypt your data. That's it. Thank you so much.